Welcome to our first video blog covering the overhaul of our S&D 7F 53808. Since the locomotive completed another 10 years in service, 11 in fact with a boiler extension, the engine has been stored here at Ropley on the Midhants line, waiting for a start to be made. During 2024 the boiler was stripped of all its small and larger flue tubes as part of a survey to find out the boiler's overall condition. So far so good. Even the tubes are still in pretty good nick, but they will have to be replaced anyway, at least the small ones. The Trust has been preparing its way forward to make a start on the tender. This has now been separated from the engine and now inside the works at Ropley. Note Kilmersdon too, our ex-colliery tank engine is here. Staff and volunteers will be releasing the tank from the frames in preparation for its lift. This will be interesting, as we really don't know what we will find underneath. As to be expected, the area around the drag box is very corroded and will need quite substantial replacement. Join us in this exciting venture by becoming a member if you're not already, or making a donation so that we can get 53808 running again as soon as possible.